guys, we're heading to this place called Dresden, which is a city in Germany, and we're just there for like 3-4 hours. Basically means the Sate family is just gonna eat and leave. But yeah, we're going in that. You see that minivan type of thing? Yeah, that one. We're out of the van on pee break. Everyone's going to pee. Except Tavanya. Tavanya refused to get out. She's sitting alone in the van. These are my favorite M&Ms ever. दादी फिर से बोलो, मैंने सुना नहीं.
अब एक बार ही बोल दिया.
दादी बोलो.
Oh, Dresden was bombed by the British and the Americans after World War II, and everything was broken here, and the whole of Dresden has been rebuilt from the ruins.
We've come up with this new thing. I'm tired now of looking at buildings and seeing that this is a church and this is an opera house and this is a theatre and this is a church. Don't want to see it. So my chachu went to ChatGPT and now I'm Agent Serena, and then they're giving me missions to find in the building, and it seems more interesting, so you guys can do that. Is it raining?
The fountain is.
So much? The fountain ka water is coming from there to us.
Or some bird is peeing.
Yuck. I'm sure that's Tavanya. That ooh. Oh my god, look at that crown. ChatGPT is wrong. I think this is Vinga Castle. So if any of you all know, you can tell me. But I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, currently.
Cookies.
पलट हाँ सीधा चल सीधा चल और सीधा नहीं चल सकता सीधा चल
Oh, calm.
सीधा सीधा can't hear you of course he is right there can't hear right oh she can hear
she can hear me. She's
सीधा
a speaker. What is she carrying?
I don't know.
You want?
Chalo, we all sitting with this.
My mom is coming the newspaper. Good mom.
car parade going right into Titus for here what is this place
Papa, take a bite and tell me how it is.
no
Stand up for step. Guys,
special sauce to this dish this is Worcestershire they want to
Hi guys. So I got dark chocolate. It's so good.
But pistachio. I think my top 3 flavors are always strawberry, chocolate, or pistachio. And every time I have pistachio, I'm like, Baka, this happened in India.
What it happens?
But like, yeah, pistachio is very synthetic.
It looks like booby.
Guys, we finally reached Berlin. We're heading to our room. We look extremely dead and tired after a 6-hour bus journey. So probably longer. Yeah, let's go. I'm excited to see our room. Guys, this is my outfit of the day. I got this lovely top from Instagram. Lighting sucks here, but yeah. And these are my purple pants. You've seen me wear them for my birthday. And yeah, that is it. Guys, Sate family is back to eating. Also, police cars are here because something has happened on the subway. Hi guys, so it is day 1 or day 2 in Berlin. I don't know at this point. This is my outfit. I actually got it for Greece, but it's pretty thick and it's very cold in Berlin. So yeah, so the plan today is basically to go to all the Holocaust museums and history and stuff, things that I'm not very good at. But yeah, I'm hoping Berlin is, I know Berlin is definitely a great place for food. So I'm excited for that because I know exactly what I want to eat here. So I'm hoping that, I can keep eating as we go along because I'm extremely hungry right now. That's the plan for the day. Then we'll figure and we'll see. Oh no! Tana dad is yelling, let's go. We're waiting for Tavanya and Amaira. They're taking some 30 hours to get ready. Amaira's having her coffee of 3 hours ago.
It's really bad.
No.
Amaira's actually lost.
Tanya, you and him have the same eye color.
Excuse me, okay?
Especially the Roman.
Say hi.
Hi.
Uday Chachu is the
Like
tour
freaking
guide
1
for today.
PM and now we're
It's
starting
12
our
p.m.
day.
But Uday Chachu is the tour guide for today. So he's going to be explaining the history of Hitler and Germany and Berlin.
Isn't he such a cute guy?
He's just not looking at my face.
This is the guy we've hired. We paid him 500 euros an hour.
Lies, not one sentence.
Guys, this is the personification of WhatsApp University and what he gets from there. That is the personification of a university degree which you actually need to listen to. This is the gate of Germany. I have no idea what it is.
Brandenburg Gate it's called.
Okay, what is it?
It was a gate to celebrate the Frederick the Great,
Okay.
made by his grandson, I think,
Okay.
to symbolize Germany's rise to power.
Damn. This is Namchaji. She has joined us in Berlin. Are there actually bodies in there
No, it's just a representation.
of how many died?
How many just this thing that they killed people.
Oh, they
They
killed.
didn't die, they killed them
Yeah.
actively.
And that is
Around and
Said family.
probably just
How's it, Tanya?
Two people will be in two different sections.
of the day.
Why? With two seats together.
Oh my god, Tavanya and her pre-game. Jesus. Guys, I'm sure as usual, I probably forgot to take a video of what we ate. But it was very good. We ate pasta and burger and prawns. And now we're walking to the second museum of the day, which is also about the Holocaust, but from the other point of view. That's the original Berlin Wall, and that is what is left of it. Tana, what's your question?
Where's the new one?
You have built it, sweetheart.
Namchachi, you've been in museums all day. How do you feel?
I feel full of gratitude.
That you're alive.
Oh my god, there's a McDonald's. We're gonna have pistachio McFlurry right now.
We're going to this place called the Monsters Cabinet. Papa? 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 All dads cannot hear what I'm saying. Papa? How was the show?
Interesting.
Okay.
Not bad. Something unique.
Unique. It's unique. Now we're at the marketplace. So pretty. Look at how many shoes this stupid girl is gonna try on. Hi guys, so now it is actually 8:30 p.m. and we're gonna go eat dinner and we're gonna eat sushi. I'm so excited. But yeah, after the Monster Cabinet, we basically just went home and rested, and Tavanya went to do some shopping. But yeah, I'm excited because I haven't eaten actually anything between lunch and dinner, which is crazy for me. So I'm very hangry almost. We're trying to get into this bar, but it's a speakeasy and we have no idea how to get in. So yeah, they're yelling at me because I didn't vlog them enough today. So yeah, get vlogged.
So I'm drinking grasshopper. Kamani, what are you drinking?
Mystery drink.
What are you drinking, Odit? Magic drink. This is an old fashioned.
Yuck.
And the best drink in the world. Tap water. The best drink in the world. And what is Amadea having? He's having Capriana.
And Serena.
Espresso martini.
Berry martini.
I learned how to say it, guys. Espresso martini.
Okay. So whoever it ends on, suppose it ends on me, 21, I get to pick a number and I say number 3. So I'll say instead of number 3, everyone has to say I love myself. Then it goes 1, 2, I love myself, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till 21. Then it ends on Serena. Then Serena will say that okay, on number 7, everyone says does a Bollywood, has to sing a Bollywood song. So it goes 1, 2, 3, I love myself, 4, 5, 6.
God.